My name is Adita from aditalang.com, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite meditations to bring myself back to center. So here's the thing about meditation. Many people believe that, you have to tie yourself up in a knot and stare at a candle, and that's not necessarily what it is. It's all about taking your attention from everything that's happening in the day and around you and narrowing it down and focusing on one thing. So I have a client of mine who does that by beading. I like to do it with a coloring book or to connect the dots, or just sitting still and listening to my breath. So today I'm going to take you through a guided meditation, and hopefully what that'll do is when you really narrow down and focus on one thing, once you come back out into the world, you're going to feel refreshed, you're going to feel clear-headed, and a little bit more creative at the same time. It's just like a whole mind reset, and that's what really can inspire you to do so many more things in your day. So let's see how this goes.